patience till one of us fall asleep. Came to the realization that I'm really in too deep. Normally he ain't patient, but he been patient with me. Be pushing all the right buttons as if he making the beat. The thought of him keep me blushing, voice be making me weak. Ain't up for discussion, no one can really compete. I can't lie, he got me crushing. Sometimes I can't even speak. Find around him, I can't function, but I'm the type to keep it peak. Who am I kidding? I'm all of my feelings, he's just so appealing. Picture him really ready and willing. I'm hoping and wishing these fantasies he gon' fulfill them. On islands and balconies, we overseas like we some pilgrims. Love his whole mentality, keep me at ease, ain't gotta build him. Loving what I see, can feel the heat, that be a million. Don't need no ecstasy, one touch from you, I like the ceiling. Make